What's up, everybody? Viper still back on 2 during the quarantine. Man, I haven't ridden my bike in about 2-3 weeks. Right now I'm just going absolutely nowhere. I have absolutely nowhere to go to. No one to visit. How you doing? And yeah, I just thought I'd take the bike out, get it running. I haven't been on 2 wheels in a while, so figured, hell, just take it out, go around the neighborhood for a little bit. I miss it. Oh my god. Man, feels good to be back on 2. Crazy seeing everything closed and empty. All these red lights are stupid out of sync. God damn. Leg humper mode activated. This one's for you, Rocket.
Target locked.
Holy shit. Let me quit before I get in trouble. But yeah, so anyway, yeah, it's crazy seeing everything kind of closed. I mean, I've been out and about a lot, but you know, I'm not used to seeing it like this. So yeah, so I tried a different audio setup, I guess, if you would. So before I had a Contour. How you doing? I had a Contour Plus 2. Look at that straight road. Nobody in front of me. Holy shit, do I want to fucking pin it right now. But yeah, I had a Contour Plus 2, and you know, it was good, but the mic was starting to go bad and everything, and so I just took it off and then just stopped recording all that stuff. So anyway, now I got a GoPro, and I had reinstalled everything with the new mic and everything, and the last time I went for a little test ride, there was a lot of wind noise, so this is kind of a test ride really, more than anything. I relocated the mic, I integrated it with my Sena boom mic, if you would, and damn, the van got fucked up. And we'll see how the wind goes. Ah, shit. Ah, fuck, it fucked up. Ah, I forgot this road is closed off. Son of a bitch. Well, it looks like we're gonna go for a longer ride than expected. God damn this fucking city, man, and their slow-ass repairs. I wanted to go to a nice overlook and show you some view ropes, but Burbank Bridge got me fucked up, and now I gotta go the extra long way. So bear with me. A little rev bump for you guys in the tunnel. So yeah, so I'm on my way to hopefully get some nice little view ropes up in the Burbank Mountains. I'm trying to think which ways. Probably, you know what? I'm gonna go this way. This will be quicker. Come on, light. Yay, I got an arrow. That's a bonus. And I'm in the wrong gear. Great. Yeah, most of these stores are non-essential, so not packed as it used to be. This road right here, you usually fight for parking. Look at this. No, it's not too bad, but there's nobody. There's not a soul. What the fuck is that shit? Alright, I think, I don't know if I should go straight or not. I'm gonna go straight. I don't know, like I said, I always get lost. I never remember which way to go. think I'm going the right way. I hope. I mean, I know I'm going the right direction. I don't know if I'm going the right way. Oh well. So I'm gonna see if hopefully up there they didn't close off the gates. They have a habit of doing that, which is dumb in my opinion. I don't understand why they do that. People need to get through and out. Alright, we'll see. See, gate ahead. Hopefully they didn't shut it. If they didn't shut it, oh, they closed it. God damn it. That's some bullshit. And no, I cannot go around it because these smart dumbasses, they locked it all the way to the wall, as you can see. See, I can't get through that, and I can't get through the other side. So, oh well, we'll make do with this. Somebody forgot their water. No stopping anytime. Alright, this is exactly what I'm not gonna do. Alright, keep it in gear. Hopefully this shit doesn't fucking bust its ass. Ooh, that's sketchy, man. I'm telling you. Yeah, I can't stop here like this. Alright, well, I can't park the bike. Actually, you know what? I can. Hang on. Yeah, the pollution has gone down. That's crazy. It's still some in the distance. It's like a fog. There you go. No stopping anytime, my ass. This'll work. Alright. Yeah, we can make it work. Come on, there you go. Get my key. Man, I haven't been here in months. Yeah. Yeah, the pollution did go down a lot. Wow, that is crazy. Crazy, crazy. That's Burbank Airport right there. In the distance over there where those buildings are, that's Universal Studios. That's crazy. Look how clear it is. Wow. But there is still some pollution. I can see a line going across, but it is a lot clearer. That's crazy. And if you see on that mountain over there, that antenna up there, that's where the Hollywood sign is on the other side. That's Forest Lawn Cemetery, where a lot of famous celebrities are buried. Yeah, that's crazy. It's peaceful and quiet. That freeway, man, wow, that's the 5 freeway. It's usually just packed with cars just going at a steady speed, but man, look at that. It's almost nothing. I wish it would stay like this. I wish, you know, I kind of like it like this. Less traffic, more calmer on the roads. Anyway, well, that's all I can do for views. Here's my bike. Alright, well, we'll see what happens with this video. I'm gonna have a hard-ass time turning the key. That's what I'm... Okay, let's go back up. I gotta get off the bike and back it up, because... Alright, here we go. Oh my god, this is... Alright, let's get back home. Fuck. That's not good. How the hell am I gonna get home? I just realized they shut this fucking road down, these lazy bastards. Look at this shit. This fucking car looks like it got hit in the back. Look at that wheel. What kind of fucked up, stupid shit is that? Bounce, bounce, and I could smell the oil from the exhaust, man. The fucking guy burned his piston rings. Go, it's green. Fucking crooked ass rims. Look at that, see the smoke? I told you. Fuck. Fucking burned your engine, dude. Damn. See if you can catch me on this bridge with your little fucking Fast and Furious bent ass wheel shit. Come on. No? Oh, here he comes. He's making an attempt. No? He's too slow. Damn, that's a nice charger right there. Look at that. There you go, Rocket. That's all you, bro. Here he comes, Mr. Fast and Furious. Here he comes. Watch it. Pretty much, right? Whew, fuck, I can smell the gas from here. God damn. Gas or oil. Yeah, fucking hell. Whew. Oh, look, he's gonna try and do it. He's gonna try and... No blinker, watch. Hashtag no blinker life. Watch me call it. Come on, dude. You know you want to. There he goes. Hey, that shit's all fucking crooked. Ooh, I came in hot on that one. I think they're only 5 speeds too, if they're stick shift. Otherwise it's a 4-speed. 4-speed auto with some bent ass wheels. Alright, here we go. I didn't even take off hard. I had to let him catch up. Oh, he's trying. I hear him, he's trying. He's trying. Come on, I'm in second gear, dude. Come on. Come on! Oh my god, you're slow as fuck, dude. Let's do it. Weak. Weak. That was 3rd gear. I never even got into 4th, and I got 6th. Anyway, guys, this is gonna mark an end to today's video. It was quite interesting, to say the least. Had a lot of things happen, for the most part. Another leg humper mode activated, but she can't see me because I got a tinted visor. Hi, puppy. Hi, cuckoo. Hi. Yeah, where's the wind when you need it? Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed it. I had fun. Glad I went out for a good old long ride. And I'll see when I get a chance to come out again. I don't really have anywhere to go, any place to ride, so I mean, everything's closed. As you saw, the roads are closed. So, hope you enjoyed it. And smash that like button. I always forget to say these things, so smash that like, comment. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. That option's there for a reason. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.